Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to block someone on threads. So first things first, you have to simply look for your threads, make sure that you're using the latest version of threads application, launch your threads and log into your account right here. So it's easy to block someone here on threads and I will show you a few ways on how to do that. If that account that you want to block is one of your followers or on your following list, you just have to simply locate your followers and following and then select that specific account. So, for example, if you want to block this account right here, you just have to simply tap on the person's profile, click this dots right here, and then scroll down, look for the block option. Tap on block, you will see this notification or this message. And if you want to fully block this account, just proceed with tapping on the block option. Now you can also search for that account. You have to look for the search icon right here and search the name of that threads account or profile. So make sure that this one is the correct account. And it's the same thing. Once you found that account, then you can just go or visit the profile. You will see the dots at the top right corner. And all you need to do is to click that one and scroll down. Look for the block option. So let's just say this one right here, tap three dots, scroll down, tap on the block option and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to block someone here on your threads. Now they won't be able to follow you or see your posts. You also won't see their posts and interactions. So that's how to block someone on threads. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.